Now, good morning, students. Today we will start our exercise 6C. Okay, beta. First sum is that is ax square plus by square plus bx square plus ay square. We have that is ax square beta plus by square by square plus bx square bx square plus ay square plus ay square. Now beta, in this type of question we adjust our numbers. We adjust our numbers. कैसे बेटा? Listen, देखो, since there is x square and there is also one more x square is there. So take these two terms, and since this is y square and this is also y square, take together these two terms. Okay, if we take these terms, what will happen? That is ax square plus bx square. We rewrite the term in this manner: plus by square plus ay square. We write this term in this manner also. Okay beta, but why we do this? Just simply look at the numbers, that is x square and x square. Since x square is common in both the term, x square is common in both the term, and y square is common in both these two terms. So we take x square common. What will be left? X square is outside, a will be left, plus again x square is outside, b will be left. Same in same manner, if y square is common, y square is common, what will be left? That is b plus a. Okay, so again if we write again it, that is a plus b plus y square. B plus a is right as a plus b also. Why? Because beta, you know very well, 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4. That is, in each case we get the result 9. Okay, now a plus b is there and a plus b is there, so take out a plus b common. If we take out a plus b common, what will be left there? A plus b is outside, x square is there, plus a plus b is outside, we left only y square. So our answer will be a plus b into x square plus y square. Re again, देखो बेटा, this is our sum: ax square plus by square plus bx square plus ay square. Rearrange the term in form of, that is, since there is x square and y square and y square, so we put these two terms together and these two terms together, so that we take x square is common from these two terms. What will be left? That is, when we take x square common from these two terms, this binomial, we get a plus b. In same manner, if we take y square is common, we will get b plus a. Rewrite it, that is x square into a plus b plus y square into a plus b. Now a plus b is there and a plus b is there. Take a plus b common, we get x square plus y square. This is our answer. In same manner, if we do our second question, that is my plus nz plus mz plus ny. Now there is m in this term and there is also a m in this term. There is n in this term and there is also n in this term. So we rearrange these terms in this manner, take my plus mz together. In same manner, nz ny plus nz together. From there, m is common, and from there, n is common. Take m is common. What will be left if we take outside m? You will say that is y plus z. In same manner, if we take n common, what we will get? That is y plus n is outside, so y is there plus z is there. Now from these two binomial, y plus z is common, y plus z is there. So take y plus z common. What we will be left? Y plus z is outside, there is m, plus y plus z is there is m. So our answer will be y plus z into m plus m. This is our answer. In same manner, if we do the third question, same beta, in same manner, that is our third question is ab minus 5c, ab minus 5c plus 5a minus bc. Now from this and this, a is common, and from there and there we get c is common. So put these two terms together and these two terms together. What we will get? We rewrite this term 5ab plus 5a minus 5c minus bc. From there, a is common. Take a common. What we will get? If a is there, what will be left? B plus. If a is outside, what will be left? That is 5. Minus, take minus common. If there is minus, then take minus common. And from these two terms, we will get c common. What will be left? Minus c is outside, 5 will be there. Minus is common, so plus be there. If minus take common, then plus sign be there. If plus common, take sign as it is. Listen बेटा carefully. यदि minus common लिया जाता है तो change the sign. If plus common लिया जाता है, then never change the sign. Put sign as it is. Now C is outside. What will be left? B. Now rearrange this. You know that is B plus 5 minus C. इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं बेटा? B plus 5. Okay, because in same manner, that is 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3. 3 plus 5 is also 8 and 5 plus 3 is also 8. These two results give the same result. ठीक है? These two equations give same result. So we write 5 plus b as b plus 5. Now take b plus 5 is common from these two terms. What we will get? That is b plus 5 is there and b plus 5 is there. Take b plus 5 common. We left, that is b plus 5 is common. What is a minus c? Okay, this is our answer. If we do the next question in same manner, fourth question, that is our fourth question is x square plus ab minus ax minus bx. Now beta, from these two terms write together x square minus ax. In same manner write these two terms together, that is minus bx plus ab. माइनस बी एक्स प्लस ए बी. आप लिख सकते हैं बेटा, ए बी माइनस बी एक्स लिखना चाहें तो भी लिख सकते हैं, no problem. Just look at the sign. Just look at the sign. That is minus bx, so minus bx, plus ab, plus ab. Write the sign in accurate manner. Okay. Now, from these two terms, x will be common, and from these two terms, b will be common. Take x outside. What will be left? There are two x. One x is there, so one x will left. Minus as a shabash hota. From this, minus always take comma. If there is minus sign, then minus be common. BB also. What we will get? X. If minus is common, then sign will be converted into plus, sign be converted into minus, and minus sign be converted into plus. Okay, so plus is converted into minus. B is take outside. What we will get? A. From these two terms, x minus a take common. X minus a is common. What we will left? X is there. Shabash. This is our answer. This be our answer. Next question. In same manner, if we do the fifth question, what will be there? AB square, AB square minus BC square minus AB plus C square. Now, AB, AB. So write these two terms together. That is AB square minus AB. And in same manner, write these two terms together. That is minus BC square plus C square. From these two terms, what will be common? You say, sir, AB is there and AB is also there. So take out AB common. What will be left? A is outside. There are two B. One B is there. What will be left? B minus. If we take AB outside, what will be left? 1, not 0 बेटा. जब भी ए बी कॉमन लिया जाता है तो बेटा जीरो लेफ्ट नहीं होता है, वन विल बी लेफ्ट. ओके. इन सेम मैनर माइनस सी स्केयर इज देयर एंड सी स्केयर इज देयर. टेक आउट सी स्केयर कॉमन. what will be left? That is b. C square outside, b. If minus is common, then plus is converted into minus, and c square common, minus 1. From these two terms, we get b minus 1 is common. Take b minus 1 common. What will be left? That is ab minus c square. So this is our answer. This be our answer. Next question, sixth question. In same manner, that is 2xw minus 3 minus 6x plus w. Now, since these two terms having x together and these are no common, so write these two terms together. What we will get? 2xw माइनस 6 को हम लिख सकते हैं बेटा 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3x. ओके. 6 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3x प्लस w minus 3. Okay. Now, from these two terms, what will be common? 2 is there in both terms, and also x is there. X is there. So take out 2x common. If 2x is outside, what will be left? Only w minus as it is. If 2 and x is outside, what will be left? Minus 3. Now beta, plus sign is there, so plus will be common. Now there is no common from these two terms. There is no common from these two terms. So take out 1 as common. क्योंकि 1 एक ऐसी टर्म है बेटा, वो किसी से भी कॉमन ली जा सकती है. ठीक है बेटा, 1 किसी भी टर्म से कॉमन लिया जा सकता है. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी लेफ्ट? सेम. इफ 1 is common, that is w minus 1 is common, same. Write it as same terms. Now from these two terms, w minus 3 is common. That is w minus 3 is take common. What will be left? That is 2x plus 1. So it's be our answer. Okay. We do the seventh question in same manner. These questions are for practice beta. They are doing same method because these are for the practice, so that you learn easily. Okay. In math, practice make a man perfect. That is 54x plus 10y. Next question is seventh question, 10y minus 12xy minus 45. Now from these two terms, x and some number will be common. We write it as 54x is right as 6 multiply 9x. 6 9s are 54. Minus, take these two terms. 12 is written as 6 multiply 2 multiply xy. In same manner, plus 10y. 10y is written as 5 multiply 2y minus 45 is written as 5 multiply 9. Okay beta. Now from these two terms, what will be common? You say, sir, there is a number 6. Also x will be common. 6x. What we will be left? 6 and x is outside. 9 minus 6 and x will be outside. 2y. Okay. 6 minus 2y. Now from these two terms, 5 will be common, plus 5 will be common. What will be left? You know, sir, you know, that is 2y minus 9. अब देखो बेटा, there is 9 minus 2y and there is 2y minus 9. So take minus is common either from there or either from there, as you wish. If we take minus common from there, what will be there? Minus 6x, and it will be converted into 2y minus 9, because minus is converted. If minus is common, minus is converted into plus and plus is converted into minus. Plus 5 as it is, 2y minus 9. Now 2y minus 9 is there and 2y minus 9 is there. Take out 2y minus 9 common. What will be left? That is 5 minus 6x. So it's be our answer. It's be our answer. This question are also written in the form of, if we take minus is common from this side, our question is 6x into 9 minus 2y plus 5 into 2y minus 9. Now take minus common from there. What we get? 6x into 9 minus 2y. Take minus common, that will come inverted. minus 5, and this will change into 9 minus 2y. Now take 9 minus 2y from these two terms common, that is 9 minus 2y, and answer will be 6x minus 5. This is the answer. Both answer are right, both answer भी right. बेटा दोनों आंसर ठीक है. चॉइस इज yours. Either do in this manner or do in this manner. चॉइस इज yours. आप इस मेथड से कीजिए और इस मेथड से कीजिए, आंसर विल बी राइट. ओके, सो वी डू 7 क्वेश्चन. 8th and 9th do it yourself. Okay, otherwise we do it tomorrow. Okay beta.